Pirate Bro, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane out of just your hands and a piece of paper. So first thing, you fold the paper in half. I'll show you right down the middle. Won't be just as perfect, but you guys can try this as well. Sorry about this, guys. I'm just trying to get good for you guys so I got a good demonstration. So, guys, you just split it down the middle and you open it, and you got one line right down the middle. And then the second thing you do is fold it just like this right next to the line. So you get the end of the corner and do the same thing. If you guys want me to do more stuff like this, I can do that too. Just put comments down below, and I will totally do it. Then it looks like a little part of the house. Then you just add it like this. Anyways, I'm using I don't know what kind of paper I'm using, but it is hard. So just use regular white paper, everyone. Yeah. Thank you guys for getting us 4 subscribers. Whoever those 4 people, thank you a lot. You guys are very nice. And then you do the same thing on the other side. The side might look different, but it's a plane, guys. A plane can look any kind of shape. So yeah, guys, don't. Okay, so there's that. I messed up. Hold on, guys. Just gotta snip something like us with this. Okay, nope, can't snip that off. So I'm just gonna. Then you guys fold it just like this, to a plane, so you can see it. Then here's this. Then here's this. Looks like a jet, guys. Click comments down below if you guys want me to make. Well, I can do Pokemon cards. I can do Beyblade battles with T-Bro. T-Bro is not here today, so he's here, but he's doing something else. No, he's like, I'm right here and I'm watching your other YouTube video we made earlier. Oh, come on. So he's just sorry about my arm there, guys. I just trying to. So it looks like this. If you follow if you guys have to stop the video and back up and see how I did it, you guys can do that. If I go, can just redo it. Yeah, just don't frustrate. If you guys frustrate, the pressure will be better on you. The pressure will be harder on you. So that's.
And make sure you guys watch our video.
And then here's the airplane I did. I'll put up the camera and show you.
Watch our baseball video, the Power Bros, and watch the Embro is here.
So that's the airplane.
Can I do a video of baseball?
What? So guys, that's how you make a paper airplane.
This is Embro.
Embro with our new member. That's Miss Stacy. And cut. And the T-Bro.
I don't really know how to make a paper airplane.
Yeah, so we are.
Many people in the world don't like it.
So see you guys later.